Yeah, ghost again pan them now. Dirty Ashanti, but you wear extension in a year like gal. You copy everybody life. So you see, Krista wear falls there in her age, you start wear falls there too, but you put in extension like some gal. And sit down on your live and call up Lorraine name again and again. Lorraine don't want to run out for you know. And me ghost I run out for you. Anytime you touch Lorraine, me ghost I run out for you. Dirty, sod mud, Batman Ashanti with your extension in your ear. A little sod mud boy, a Batman alone with extension. And that's just the Chris do. You know, see Chris having extension. You know, say a Batman alone with extension, Batty boy, but you are one anyway, so you can't do no better. Oh, you hear about. But you want number to call Lorraine husband. Lorraine husband no want no man, him have a nice wife, Lorraine. Tell a long time you want, what you want here? Mrs. Brown, forget the things that when Lorraine I get, go look what do gigolo. But you want number to call Lorraine husband, and who you? Lorraine husband no want hear from you. You think Lorraine husband have time to listen to Uno? If anything one have to say about her, about him wife, you think he don't know Lorraine? You think he don't know Lorraine? Who is Uno to come out and no want number to call the woman husband? Him no want hear from Uno, no gigolo. You want dirty pussy, Maclack 360. Dirty pussy, Maclack 360. Go wash your down hole. You sound like some little dirty butter years gal. Go smoke your season weed. And leave people business alone, cause you can't have nothing what Lorraine have. Let me tell you that about you call people husband too, you don't have no wife and you don't have no man. Dirty Ashanti and dirty pussy, Maclack 360. Go look something and do. Let me tell you that. Run out anytime you run out for Lorraine. Lorraine don't have to answer Uno. Ghost go run out for Uno blood clot, so come. Ghost go run out for Uno. So nobody come think say Ghost afraid of Uno? Lorraine don't have to answer. Ghost is here for her. Ghost is here for her, son. Go suck no matter. You want dirty pussy Maclack 360 and all of the 360 family. Go suck out to no matter. And if you can't find no mother, go suck out to no father too. No suck out to no whole family. I want to hear about dirty mouth Ashanti. Your mouth a sod. Your mouth a sod with the cocky juice. I want you hear about sod up mouth Ashanti. I want you hear about. But you go call Lorraine good husband. Call him. Because he don't have nothing to do with low-life people like you. You're a low-life scum of the hurt. The man don't want to hear from you. But run out with no pictures and whatever. Lorraine a celebrity. You are not the paparazzi. You just want to spy out her life and want to come through her life. Celebrity Lorraine, you don't have to say nothing. Ghost is here for the paparazzi them, which is Dirty Mouth Ashanti. When you run out for the paparazzi, Dirty Mouth Ashanti is the paparazzi, and Lorraine is the big talk show boss celebrity. Hey, you know I got dead now. And what you hear about? Run out with the dirty girl Shelly. Well, landlord done already cause she a leak. You know, your landlord tell Dirty Shelly say she a leak long time. And where she a run go? Make sure run up in a this. Run up in a this. Ghost is here for Uno. Lorraine don't have to say a thing. Lorraine don't have to say a thing. Done Dirty Mouth Ashanti with your motor. So that's why you can't go back run a Franklin Town. Nobody running a rate here Franklin Town. They want beat you around there because they realize that you're a batty man. You rape off one little girl around there and rape off one little boy around there. Dirty Mouth Ashanti. Don't let me start with your file, you know. Because I'm not even going to talk about the animals then when you get paid to sleep with, you know. Dirty Mouth Ashanti. And what you hear about? Run out now. Run out with, you know, make-up stories. Run out with whatever you want. On the pictures I want to sit one and run out with. And Harry get them and give them to Gracie. Harry get the picture with the lady and give it to Gracie. And Dirty Shelly get the picture from Solene's son. And she don't have any right to release it to anyone. Because once you get a picture and release it to anybody, you don't know where it's going to end up. So Dirty Shelly know what she was doing. And she better go watch her pussy because she and Dirty Maclack are run pussy together. Or no go suck no mother. You hear me say? Go suck no mother. Ashanti, go suck your granny. Don't let me get nasty pan here because I don't want to. Don't let me get nasty pan here until I go suck your mama, suck your granny, and go get her some proper dentures. Don't fuck with us. We don't fuck. Lauren don't have to say nothing, but I will fuck you up. You don't know who me is, and you don't know which file me have for your Batman Ashanti. Gigolo, move from here. Move from here and go give Maxine your little done cocky. When Maxine a dead over, move from here and go give Maxine the little dead cocky. Because she cocky thirsty. Little traitor woman. God, get away. Run out with no file now. Run out with no blood clot file because I'll be coming for you. Come up with it. Please do. Please run out with no lies on the file and no make-up stories because anybody will see through the stupidity. You don't care where Lauren want to go to Jamaica and she want to go here on a holiday. Who give a fuck? Lauren come out here to talk about corruption in charity. Anything that she share with us about her personal life is her fucking choice. Where you come from, sitting down alive, trying to study the girl. Who want to set blood clot you up? Who is you? Look how long you on Facebook and Lauren don't see you. Lauren didn't run out for you. Look how long you on Facebook and Lauren don't see you. Lauren didn't run out for you. Lauren run out about corruption in charity and you pick it up. Cause you follow fashion and want to take everything on everybody will have on Facebook. Batman Ashanti, that's what you do. So run out with dirty Shelly. Run out with dirty pussy Matlock, who sound like some little battalions gal where they smoke season weed. Make sure you run out. Don't run out to blood clot, cause we are here.